Okay, but I also have to wash it out. And wash it out. Wash it. Wash it. Wash it. Elsya, what the heck? Whoa! What is that? Is the Anya's doing? Oh no! It sneezed on the ground. No, why is Elsya not bringing or doing it again? How's everybody doing here? Oh, where's Elsya? Anya? Elsya. Wow, she's out the bathroom, and I'm sorry, Elsa. I accidentally. What's that? You sneeze on the ground. It wasn't about sorry, just a little bit. How's the sneeze? Because it's a little bit well, I guess. But I caused a little bit. Look, Anya's over there. Oh no. Anya, I'm here. I got the nose drops. No, Mommy, I don't want it. Wait, what's wrong? I'm scared. I want the nose drops. Oh, come on, Anya. The scares. I want these nose drops. Is ahead. You can catch me. Da 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 boo boo. I know. This is no time for playing. Come on, don't. Let's do nose drops to heal better. You can catch me. Da 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 boo boo. Anya. This is sound. Anya. Come back. No, silly nose drops. Anya, I got the nose drops. Stop being so afraid of them. No, I want you to do it again. Come on, Anya. I don't have these. I don't have to play you. Stop to playing. Don't have this. Okay, I got the nose drops. Still, there's nose drops. Still, I have the nose drops. No, no, no. No. Okay, I got it. The nose drops. No. I got the nose drops. No. Ow! What happened? Dropped in my eye! Oh, Anya, I got it. So I fit off. Okay, Mommy, I'm on. Okay, let's take. No. Oh, it's so sticky. Oh my God! You see? Oh wow, that was so just a cleansing mitt. Oh my God, I was really silly. Oh my God, silly. You're silliest. I love the still hairs to Elsya. This will really still hospitals today. I'm going to get her wipe it off. Just stealing it. Anna, are you okay? What do you end up Elsa? She's still a little bit Anya. The still have the Elsa. Unlike the dino nose. This still cleaning it. I'll still have to cleansing it. Let's see the cleansing it. Yay, got it. What is else the nose drops here? Well, still, Miss Dennis. They're still very sick. Don't sick, because they're not very sick. This tail hurts to terrible. Let's do. Okay, let's go. This is our channel, and subscribe for more videos.